বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি মোহাম্মদ আসিফউদ্দিন বলছি। আমি মূলত কিছু বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা করার জন্য আসলে ভিডিওতে আসা। ফার্স্ট অফ অল হচ্ছে যে আমাদের বাংলাদেশের যে বর্তমান অবস্থা, রাজনৈতিক এবং কূটনৈতিক মহলের যে বর্তমান অবস্থা, সেই বর্তমান অবস্থাকে সামনে রেখে যদি আমি একজন সাধারণ বাংলাদেশী হিসাবে চিন্তা করি, তাহলে সেটা আমাকে আসলে অনেক কিছু ভাববার খোরাক দেয়। তো মূলত আমার কিছু পয়েন্ট আমি বের করেছি। আমি জানি না সেই পয়েন্টগুলো নিয়ে বর্তমান সরকার ব্যবস্থা এবং ছাত্র বৈষম্যবিরোধী ছাত্র আন্দোলন বলুন বা ছাত্র সমাজ বা ছাত্র জনতা সমাজ বা অন্য কোনো রাজনৈতিক ব্যক্তিত্বরা এই বিষয় নিয়ে ভাবছি কিনা। তো মূলত আমি প্রথমে ইংরেজিতে এই কথাগুলো বলবো, বিকজ অফ ইটস ভেরি নিডেড টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য টু দোজ পিপল হু আর রিয়েলি want to understand the such thing that's going to be a very hazard and chaotic. So firstly, I would like to address the Indian hegemony and their colonialism mindset. First of all, I think we have to understand the diplomatical policy that they are actually trying to breach with us, and this is very important, morally important, that they have to understand. And this is how we can be a build a better country, build a better neighborhood between the two countries. So first of all, I would like to address their vulnerable diplomacy by Indian media. This is very core subject. This is a very core point. Nowadays we are watching them, and they have been actually establishing some agendas and try to establish the phobia, creating the phobia in between the Bangladeshi government and the mass people. So I think we should raise the explanation, the anti-Indian sentiment, and diffuse anti-Bangladesh sentiment. Second is the pro-Hasina versus Indian government political initiative by Prime Minister Modi and his BJP policy. Then comprehensive unmutual consensus and unruly propaganda of Indian media should be banned. Regime transition versus young generation expectation should be evaluated. And now currently, if you ask about to understand our political situation, current political situation, now I'm going to explain the Bangladesh political expectation nowadays. First of all, the Hasina atrocities, crime has to be punished, and Indians' cooperation is to be practically exercised. Second, extradition policies of India-Bangladesh treaties must be followed for Hasina's return. Third, mitigate the political hegemonies, influence and boycott the camouflage ship actor in Bangladesh internal affairs. Fourth, the full-fledged support from Indian government towards Dhaka, and keep balancing all ties, which has been heading his sustainable growth for the both countries. Fifth, unbiased collaboration between two countries, especially on sensitive events like religious festival, that we are know one thing, the Hindu religious, the biggest, most religious festival is coming out, so the Durga Puja. So we have to have the responsibility enough to retain the peace and balancing the all peace tools, regarding the Puja festival. Sixth, we have to assure the commensurate relationship regarding communal harmony perspective. It's a mandatory for the both countries. This is not like that we are approaching, we are trying, because we have been trying since we had a good relation with India, and nowadays it is going to be something, the fish is cost because of their return of the media speech was, totally, sometimes it's very unexpected and unexpected. Seven, the cross-border relationship must be equal and equitable among the countries. And eight, we need India, but not with influensive. Actually, we don't believe on any hegemonial perception. That's why we need India, but not with influensive and hegemonial perception. But we invite India with transactional brotherhood mindset. So this is the main, some focal point that we want. I think this is really important to understand, to solve such puzzle. Somehow we have to understand and consent in those areas, and we have to speak up and raise some voice that which is really going to be needed. So এই জিনিসটা আমি আবার একটু বাংলায় যদি আমাকে আসতে হয়, I would like to ডিসক্রাইব ইন বাংলা, আমাকে এই বাংলায় যদি ব্যাখ্যা করতে আমি এখন যা বললাম সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের বাংলাদেশিদের জন্য আমাদের বাংলায় ব্যাখ্যা করাটা দরকার।